Good day, everyone. We are Group 3, and the name of our establishment is Flobeco. Next slide, please. For our organizational chart, our Chief Executive Officers, or the CEO, is Charmaine Flores, the one who has the highest rank and in charge of organizing and responsible in major corporate decision, managing the overall company, and acting as the main point of communication between the board of directors. For the general manager, which is Graciela Novero, this role is the one who oversee day-to-day operation of our company. General manager are usually responsible for planning, directing, and coordinating the operational activities to ensure efficiency and effectiveness of the business. For the ship operating officer is Zinjan Danes Adriatico, the one who oversees internal operation of a company. The the responsible for the efficiency of business operation and may manage area and for manufacturing, production, and supply chain. Next slide. Next. For the presentation overview, we have the name and address of our company, organizational chart, introduction, menu, company statement, and floor plan and mood board areas. Next speak. For the name and address, Floveco, a blend of floral, love, and eco, symbolizing a passion for nature, sustainability, and stream bases. Our company is our company is located in Las Piñas City. Quick fact: the name of our company is a combination of our last name, which is Adriatico, Flores, and Novero.
For the next slide, we have the company statement. For mission and vision, in essence, the missions describe the cafe's presence, purpose, and how it operates, while the vision paints a picture of its future aspirations and what it strives to become. Both statements emphasize supporting students in Las Piñas while also prioritizing environment consciousness. And then for the objective, in summary, this objective provides more specific and actionable step that Study Hub Cafe will take achieve its mission and realize its vision. They cover the aspect of the cafe design, environmental responsibility, functionality as a study space, and community engagement within Las Piñas. And then for the next is the floor plan. For the entrance is located at the bottom of the image. There are three main sitting areas, a large central areas with rows of individual desks, then a smaller area to right with tables and chairs, suitable for group studies. We also have the counter area located at the top of the image. This is likely where customers order the food and the drinks. And lastly, for the restroom located at the left side. So for the introduction, this cafe in Las Piñas aims to more than just a place to grab a coffee and study. They prioritize sustainability by offering locally sourced eco-friendly beverages and food, supporting the community and reducing their environmental impact. The space itself and truly designed with different learnings needs in mind, featuring private study pods and focusing work, collaboration rooms, projects, and small space with plant corner for relaxation. We have the opening hours. We, in every weekend, 10 o'clock a.m. to 10 p.m. and then weekdays 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Reasoning discovers typically students' study times, including daytime and evenings. And then for our menu, American snack with American, and also for the Filipino snacks, that prices with 80 to 150. The menu offers mixed American treats and local Filipino flavors, some with unique floral twists reflecting the cafe's theme. And then we have menu for the drinks. On the left side, you have standard beverages with prices range from 80 to 150 pesos. On the right side, there's a selection of milk teas, shakes, and coffee. These are priced between 110 to 150.
Laura speaking. Here's a look at the different mood board zones that define Sloveco's atmosphere. First, let's start with the main cafe area. This is the heart of Sloveco. It features cozy seating, floral arrangements, and a warm, inviting atmosphere. Perfect for casual visitors and students looking for a relaxing space to unwind. We incorporated natural lighting with big windows, earthy tones, and recycled furniture to stay aligned with our eco-friendly theme. This area also displays our signature floral touches, creating a refreshing ambience that makes every visit feel special. Next is our study zone. It is a quiet, focused space for individual learners. We designed this area with ergonomic chairs, wide desks, and charging stations to support long study hours. This muted colors and minimalistic design can help reduce distractions while surrounding plants and floral accents can promote calmness and better concentration. This area represents our core purpose, supporting students in a peaceful, productivity enhancing environment. Next, this is our collaboration room. It is built for small group work, project meetings, and study sessions. It has flexible seating, whiteboards, and a sound absorbing material to minimize distractions. We aimed for a functional yet stylish design, combining greenery with modern fixtures to inspire creative thinking while staying true to Flaveco's natural aesthetic. It's a perfect spot for peer discussions or teamwork driven tasks. And lastly, is our eco wall. It's a standout feature of Loveco. It's a vertical garden that showcases our commitment to sustainability and environmental awareness. Aside from being a visual centerpiece, the eco wall helps purify indoors with purified air and adds to the cafe's overall tranquility. It's a popular background for photos and a constant reminder that we can blend beauty and eco responsibility in everyday spaces. And that would be all for our company. Thank you.